Alright, just a little update video. So it's kind of for me to know where everything came from. I'm taking this whole front section out so I can get to the power steering pump, and it's held on by one bolt that goes through the water pump, through the timing cover, into the block, and that bolt is seized in there. So I'm going to try to get in there and try to get into it with an impact, see if it'll break it loose, because that's just got the one bolt and then a ratchet strap holding the power steering pump. I got a brand new water pump because this water pump's leaking, so I'm going to do water pump, belts, and all new hoses while I'm up in here. Other things that are done, you can't hardly see it, but brand new fuel pump down there. This thing runs off its own fuel tank now, so yeah. Alright, and I don't know if I showed, I got the rims on there all the way around. Still got to pull them off and put 3 studs on the other side that was broke. And yeah, that's about it for now. Slowly cleaning it up. Alright, later. Alright, so I got the radiator out. We're down here, we're finally here to this bolt. So this bolt right here goes through our power steering pump, which is only held on by that single bolt and a ratchet strap down there. The entire bracket's missing. There's another bolt back there that's there, but the bracket's missing. Problem is this thing is stuck. So talking to my dad, he said get to it with an impact and see if it'll impact or rattle it out there, so don't snap it. But I know the water pump is leaking, so we got to get all this off anyway. So we'll get this bolt out, get this water pump out, and try to get this power steering pump fixed back up. Alright, we'll hit it this thing. Cross your fingers. Hope it works. Of course not. I can't even get any heat to it because that's back in the block, so we might be drilling this sucker. Nada. Okay. I'll be back later when I get some more stuff torn apart. Stuff in my time, but I've never welded a nut to an extension to get more torque out of an impact. Let's see if it works. Huh. The answer is no, it does not work. So I've been struggling with this. The Craftsman went to Harbor Freight, picked one of these up. Let's do a little test here. Reverse. Alright, on that same bolt we've been working on. Doesn't move it. Alright, let's try this earthquake out. Cross your fingers. Well, son of a gun. It doesn't seem to do any better, does it? Huh. We're at 90 psi. Oh, here we go. Some adjustments. Let's do some adjustments. It's working. On the low side, so right up to touch. That's my stuff again. Nothing on that one. So we can finish this one. Coming out in here, or is that it? That might be it. Alright. Well, I'll finish pulling that one out. Harbor Freight wins. Whew. Shoot, I wonder if that one's gonna break. We got that one out. Let's see if this one breaks now. Maxing this thing out. Might be moving. Oh, hey. Not quite. That one loose. Alright, we got the front end off this thing. So the plan this morning, we got that bolt loosened up. We're going to actually get our cardboard back here, and we're going to try to build our bracket, and so we can get rid of this fine ratchet strap tensioner and single bolt situation. So there's supposed to be a long bolt that goes through here, through this back bracket, through here to another bracket, but that other bracket is missing. That bolt goes into the water jacket, and the other bolt's just a blind bolt. So I'll get this fabbed up here, make a little bracket. Have to figure out some sort of spacer in here to hold it all together. That's the first line of business today. All right, I'll get to work. Alright, got her finished up. I added another 1/8 inch plate there because this is only 1/8 inch, so I doubled it there. We doubled it there, welded a nut on the back so we don't have to fuss around trying to hold a nut in place. Then put this stiffener across the top. So, alright, we'll go bolt it on and then take it off again, clean it up, slap some paint on it, and call it a day. Spacer in there, our bracket back there. This bolt's too long, but works for now. Yeah, look at that. It actually pivots. I'll actually be able to tension it. That should work. Okay, now I'm gonna take it all back off and get ready for some paint, but I think I'm done for the day. This Florida heat's killing me. I'll probably cut the video there and we'll continue on with more stuff later. Alright, thanks for watching. Later, y'all.